Hey everyone, in this video, we're comparing Claude Code and OpenAI Codex to help you decide which AI coding assistant is the best. Let's get started. So let's first begin in Claude Code. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding model built for safe, high quality code generation and reasoning. It's optimized for writing code, explaining code, refactoring and debugging, and also in handling large code bases with context awareness. The Claude models are known for its clarity, safety, and reasoning, which can be especially helpful when generating complex logic or understanding shows of existing code. Meanwhile, here in OpenAI Codex, it is a power tools like GitHub Copilot and integrates with editors like Visual Studio Code. It shines at autocomplete and inline suggestions, generating code from comments, and understanding compilation error context and integrating the IDE workflows. Codex is deeply connected to editor workflows and can produce a real-time assistance as you type. The Claude Code is useful for multi-step solutions and documentation, and also it helps with detailed explanation. Meanwhile, the Codex has excellent and quick suggestion scaffolding and strong for standard chord patterns. And also for debugging and explanation, the Codex is helpful for quick debug suggestions, while the Claude AI is stronger for explaining logic and reasoning. So, if you want a deep reasoning, explanation, and learning, and also if it's safe code assistance, choose Claude Code. While if you want a fast and help editor, autocomplete IDE integration, and real-time coding assistance, try OpenAI Codex. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.